How to speed up your Wi-Fi on your iPhone after the iOS 17 update? Hey there! Here's a complete and advanced solution guide on how to speed up slow Wi-Fi on your iPhone after the recent update. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Forget your Wi-Fi and reconnect again. Open Settings, tap on Wi-Fi, and now tap on the eye icon. Tap on Forget this network. After that, tap on Forget, and reconnect again. Solution 2. Change the DNS setting for your connected Wi-Fi. Open Settings, tap Wi-Fi, tap the eye icon. First, disable low data mode. Scroll down to the bottom, tap Configure DNS. First, remove the first DNS and second DNS. Add the first DNS, enter 8888. Also, enter 8844. Tap Save. Solution 4. Disable Refresh App Background Settings. Disable Background App Refresh Settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Background App Refresh, tap Background App Refresh again. Select Off. Quickly after that, try to do the software update. Often, this can help you boost your Wi-Fi. If there is a new update, then update it. After that, it must be speeding up slow Wi-Fi on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.